Welcome to Tech Fantasy Hub. This is another video to demonstrate how to use a table of content in Word. Normally, you've been wondering how you can create a table of content, but it's just simple as that. It's not difficult. So just give me like 10 minutes. Let's just create our table of content. What it means is that you can even create your own book. Yeah, you can create your book using this. Yeah. So let's go into the video. So let's say this is your text. Because this is your text. I just created a random text. So let's say this is what you want to do. Normally, I like my text to be uh, centric, centric Gothic. Okay, all right, that's fine. Okay, so let me do this. Let me just create a space for my table of content. Let it go down, a little bit down. So let's say I have a dedicated page for my table of content. Now, the next thing we have to do is we have to give the headings and the subheadings some editing format. Do you get it? Yeah. So let's do this. Maybe this can be my header, first header. Okay. Then this can be uh, header 2. This can be header 3. Okay. This one should be header 2. This one header 2. This one header 2. So what's happening is if you want to create a subheading, like for example for this one, a subheading is going to be header 3. So it's going to be a subheading of this one, this current one. If you want another subheader, then you see header 4. Exactly. That's how it works. Yeah. So this should be my header 2. This one should also be my header 2. Let me make a subheading like header 3. Okay, let me let this guy to header 3. Okay, then this is going to be my header 2. Let me just do header 3. Let me do this one too. Okay, header 4. Conclusion. Yeah, header 2. Okay, now let's go over to see what we've done so far. Okay, that one. And let me make this one header 3. So it means it's going to be a subheader of the header 2. Let me make this guy to header 2. No, header 3. So that means it's going to be a subheading. Oh no, sorry, subheader. Yeah. Let me make this guy to a subheader. This guy to subheader. Okay. I didn't. Let me make this guy to a subheader. Yeah. Exactly. Okay. Let me make this guy to a subheader. Yeah. Okay. I think we are good to go. Oh no. Let me make this guy to a subheader. Okay, so now we are good to go. Yeah. So now the next thing is you have to go to a reference. So when you go to the reference, on the left side, you can see table of content. Yeah. So you just click on the drop down. Let's see. Okay. So now you have the different types of table header. You have the first style, second style, third style. So normally what I'll advise you is use the automatic. I'll tell you the reason why you use automatic. If you use automatic, when you update your header or your headers in the future, it's going to update automatically for you. But when you do the manual, it's not going to update automatically for you, so you are going to suffer a little bit. So normally I prefer the automatic. So the automatic, you can use the 1 or the 2. Let's go for the 1. Oh my badness, this is what I was talking about. So when you're creating the table of content, you have to select where you want the table of content to be. That's why I created this whole space for the table of content. So page 1 is for the table of content. So let me select this place. And let's go again. Table 1. Voila. You see the magic. Yes, exactly. This is the magic. So now you see how it has been arranged. We have the chapter 1. That's the subheading of chapter 1. Introduction to technology. The subheading. What is technology? Importance of technology and how technology is evolved. So let me try and click on importance of technology. You have to click on your control and press here you go. So you see it has brought me to importance of technology. So let's say you have thousands of pages and you use your table of content, it just takes you to the other side. Okay, now let's try something. Let's try to update something and let's see how it's going to take effect. Okay, now let's make this let me see, let's make this no, header 2. Now let's go back. Content, you click on it, then you do update table. It's telling you to where it is updating the table of contents, select one of the following options. Yes, 1 is telling you to update page numbers only or update entire table. Let's update entire table so that it updates everything for us. Good. So now it has updated the table for us. So what did we even change? What did we change? Let's check it out. Yes, here is it, the value of good education. So that's what I changed. So that's it. You can decide to change it back. Yes, normal. Let's go back, click on the table, update table, update entire table. Yeah, so we are back to our default settings. So once again, if you want to go to any part of your book or your Word document, you just click on control and you press where you want to go and it takes you to that place. So that's how to create a simple book using a table of content or any article. And yeah, that's how you do it in a simple way. So follow for more. I'm going to give you more tips on this. Yeah, so see you guys in our next video.